Good morning, everyone. In our previous class, we completed our lesson number 3. Okay, and I asked you to do this question number 1 of part A. Yes, so let us check the answers. You had to write true or false for the following statement. So, first statement is the newspaper describes Sachin Tendulkar as a cricket wizard. Yes, this statement is true. So, what we will write? We will write T. Next is Australia and South Africa were playing the test match. No, it is not true. So what will come here? False. Okay, the match was between Australia and India. Yes. C part is Sachin scored 125 runs in the match against Australia. No, he scored double century. He hit double century against Australia. So this statement is also false. Sachin gave Raju an autograph on his plaster. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, so I will send you answers of question number 2 part A, B, and B part question number 1 and 2 also. Okay, so these 4 answers only we have to do in our notebook. Okay, so after this we will do vocabulary junction. Okay. Now we are going to do vocabulary junction. In this part of the book exercise, we are going to learn about some combination of some words that are frequently used together to express a particular meaning. For example, make his bed. What does this phrase make his bed means? Make his bed means to tidy up the bed. ठीक है, बेड बनाना मीन्स बेड को ठीक करना. ओके, विच इज नॉट, वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली मेकिंग इट. हम बेड को बना तो नहीं रहे हैं. यस, बेड इज एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी मेड है ना, लेकिन हम मेक द बेड. वाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस फ्रेज? व्हाट डज दिस फ्रेज मीन्स मेक द बेड? इट मीन्स to tidy up the bed. And another set of words that we can say here is to set the table. To set the table. Set the table means here it actually means to set the table at meals. ठीक है, तो कई बार क्या होता है कि जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं, व्हेन वी यूज दीज ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स टुगेदर, देयर मीनिंग इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. ओके, बट समटाइम्स द मीनिंग इज exactly the same as the word expresses. Okay, so here some of the words are given with the combination of this verb do, take, make and have. So we have to make these phrases using these verbs do, take, make and have. Like, do not harm, do the dishes, do well, do your best, do homework, do business, do research, do your hair. Okay, so these are some phrases that we commonly use together with these verbs. Okay, next is take. Take a chance, take your time, take a break, take an exam, take action, take a photo, take rest or take help. Next is make. Make a noise, make a mistake, make a decision, make up your mind. Okay, make an excuse, make a wish, make an effort. So in these words that we have made using these verbs, some of the phrases actually means the same as we are using the words, but some of the meanings are not the same. Okay, like I help my mother do the dishes after dinner. Do the dishes means to clean the dishes. Here we have not used word clean. Instead of clean we have used word do. Okay, so this is a phrase. Next is our teacher told us that we could take our time. Take our time मतलब अपना time लेना. So this is exactly what we are trying to say here. So आपको क्या करना है? Very easy exercise is given here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take the correct option to make appropriate combination, word combination. Like wish. With wish, which verb we use? Do, take, make or have? We use make. Okay, make a wish. The dishes, do the dishes. A risk, take a risk. A haircut, have a haircut. Lunch, have lunch. Okay, and in second question what you have to do, you have to identify the errors and rewrite the sentence. Like in first statement, what is the error? We should not have a mess in the classroom. We should not make a mess. We should not make a mess. Okay, so you will try to do all these parts on your own, B, C, D and E. This is your homework. Okay, you have to do in homework. You have to do it in homework. Okay, so next we are going to do is grammar junction. Okay, so what you have to do in this grammar junction, we already have learned about phrases as well as independent and main clauses. Okay, phrases और independent main clauses के बारे में हम already we have learnt in our grammar portion. So आपको first question में क्या करना है, you have to identify whether the underlined part in the following sentence are phrases or clauses. Just remember this is your practice exercise. ठीक है, जो हमने किया था, ठीक है, अपनी ग्रामर बुक में जो टॉपिक्स हमने किया था, दिस इज जस्ट द रिविजन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 इन होमवर्क. सो फर्स्ट में आपको क्या करना है, ए पार्ट में लास्ट वीक सोनिया मेड कुकीज फॉर चिल्ड्रन. लास्ट वीक इज व्हाट? Last week you all know that this is a phrase. Okay, so you will write P. My mother lost her anklet in the river. So this is a complete sentence having a subject as well as a verb. So which part is this? This is a what is this? Phrase or clause? This is a clause. Okay, so like this you have to do question number 1 and question number 2 में आपको क्या करना है, you have to circle the clauses and underline the phrases. Very easy. What is the clause here? She could run through the woods for miles. So here she could run through the woods is a clause. For miles is a phrase. So try to do it yourself. Question number 2 and in third आपको क्या करना है, you have to underline the main clause in the sentences. Okay, there are 2 clauses in these all sentences. आपको उसमें से सिर्फ main clause को underline करना है. One is already done for you. B part देखो, the girls had a wise father who told them lovely stories. So here which is a main clause? First clause is the main clause because this clause who told them lovely stories is directly dependent on this independent clause to complete its meaning. Yes, so आप बहुत ही आसानी से C, D and E part आप अपने आप कर सकते हैं. So if you face any problem doing all these questions, you can ask me. Okay.